everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we are going to be paying homage to Cocktail Tony. Cocktail Tony is a friend of mine on YouTube, and he does different types of cocktails. One of his most recent cocktails, he did something called a Harvey Wallbanger, which has Galliano, vodka, and orange juice, I believe. I'm not a bartender, so I don't know my drinks. But anyway, his wife made a cake that looked very good, and I asked him for the recipe, and his wife gave me the recipe. So I'm going to try this Harvey Wallbanger cake, as they called it. Very easy cake to make. Uses an instant cake mix as opposed to baking from scratch, which I'm cool with. And very, very easy. So I have a Bundt pan that I've sprayed with cooking spray. This is just Duncan Hines cake mix. If you can get orange cake mix, use that. If you can't, you can use vanilla cake mix, which I'm going to use. And to this, just to give it a little bit of orange flavor, is I have some orange extract, and we're going to add a teaspoon of orange, a little more than a teaspoon of orange extract. I have 4 eggs, half a cup of orange juice. We're supposed to be using Galliano, but he also said I could use an Anise Liqueur, so I'm using Anise Liqueur. Tastes kind of like licorice. 1 ounce of vodka. Half cup of oil. And 1 3/4 vanilla instant pudding. 1 3/4 ounce box of vanilla instant pudding, I should say. Sorry about that. Then we're just going to mix this very, very well. Once your cake is mixed through and through, we're going to put it into our pan. Work. Put it into our pan and put in the oven 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then take it out and I'll show you what to do once it's done. Our Harvey Wallbanger cake is now cool, and now we're gonna drizzle some icing on it. It's not really an icing, but like a glaze, I should say. I have 1 cup of connect sugar. And here I have 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of the Galliano liqueur, or Anise liqueur, and 1 teaspoon of vodka. Give this a mix. This is going to make just like a glaze. Make sure you get all the sugar clumps out. By the way, make sure you check out Cocktail Tony, and I believe his wife's name is Karen, who gave me the recipe, so I do want to thank her. Thank you, Karen, for this great recipe. I'm looking forward to it. Should probably actually just pour the whole thing on, I guess. We'll try it this way. That works. And I'm going to let this set, cut a piece, and I'll show you what it looks like. See you shortly. Our Harvey Wallbanger cake is now finished. I put it on the plate. Now comes the best part, my favorite part. Anyway, the cake is really, really, really good. Thank you to Cocktail Tony and his wife. I very much appreciate the recipe, and really great cake. It's kind of like a Duncan Hines cake, but you taste the orange, and the alcohol gives it a flavor that's not Duncan Hines. So it actually, the flavorings in it give it a very, very specific taste that's not like a Duncan Hines yellow cake. So it's actually a really nice cake. Probably like great for like coffee or tea. Really nice. It's not overly sweet, but really, really nice flavor. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And please tell me what type of cakes you like to make. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, everyone, and I'll see you next video.